Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious pot roast in an Instant Pot. It's well seasoned, super flavorful, and extremely tender. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by prepping our ingredients. Dice 1 onion, three pieces of celery, and chop 2 carrots. Then clean and cut in half about 10 to 13 baby potatoes. Now that you've prepped all your ingredients, set them to the side. Now in a small bowl, add 1 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of light brown sugar. Mix all your ingredients together until well combined. You're also supposed to add 3 tablespoons of flour, but I forgot to add it while filming this part. Once you've finished mixing your seasonings, set it to the side. Next, place a 2 to 3 pound chuck roast on a cutting board. Then coat the chuck roast with your seasonings. At this part I remembered the flour, so I was just adding 3 tablespoons of flour into my seasoning mix. And then I coated the chuck roast in that. When you have finished coating your chuck roast, set it to the side. In your Instant Pot, add around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then press Sauté on your Instant Pot and place it on more by clicking Sauté again. Once your Instant Pot is hot, add your chuck roast. Then cook it for 1 minute on each side. We just want to cook it long enough so that it browns. Once the chuck roast is finished cooking, take it out of the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. We're using the butter to deglaze the bottom of the pot. Spread the butter around and scrape the bottom of the pot to remove any leftover seasonings that got stuck to the bottom of the pot while we were cooking our chuck roast. Once nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot, add your onions. Then add your celery. Sauté your celery and onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and sauté everything for another minute. When you've finished sautéing your onions, celery, and garlic, reduce your heat to low. You can do this by pressing the sauté button until it's on low. Now add 2 cups of beef broth, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of red wine, 1 sprig of rosemary, and 1 sprig of thyme. Then mix all your ingredients together until well combined. Now add your chuck roast. Set your Instant Pot to pressure cook, then press the plus sign until you get to 40 minutes. After the 40 minutes, unseal the vent until all the steam is gone. Then remove the lid and add in your potatoes and carrots. Once you've added your potatoes and carrots, close the lid and then press cancel on your pressure cooker. After that, press pressure cook and press the minus sign until you reach 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are up, your pot roast should be finished cooking. The carrots and potatoes should be cooked all the way. Remove your pot roast from the pot and set it to the side. Taste your gravy and see if it needs any additional seasonings. Mine needed salt, so I added 1/2 teaspoon. Now in a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix the cornstarch and water together until well combined. Then pour it into your gravy. cornstarch slurry should make your gravy thicker. Now that everything is finished cooking, you can plate everything up. And this is the finished result. The pot roast was delicious. The meat fell off so easily. You could pick the meat off with a fork. The pot roast and the gravy were both well seasoned and tasted delicious. The carrots and potatoes were cooked to perfection. They also went really well with the pot roast. This is a really good winter dish and it'll totally warm you up. I'm really happy with how the pot roast came out. I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! This is pot roast over some mashed potatoes, and man, it looked good and it tasted good. So I totally recommend eating it with some mashed potatoes.